Hi everyone, Saeed here. Today I'm going to show you one of the most beautiful transitions in PowerPoint. First, let's check it out. These dynamic image transitions will instantly grab your audience's attention. Tell me in the comments what do you think about this transition. Okay, let's design it together. Let's start with a blank slide. So click on the layout and select the blank slide. Now click on the slide in the ribbon, then press enter 4 times to create new blank slides. Let's add each slide's picture. You can add pictures from the insert tab, or the easiest way, drag and drop them into the slide. Now copy the picture and right click on the background and select Format Background. In this window, select Picture or Texture fill, then click on the clipboard to paste the copied image as background. Repeat this for other slides as well. In this section, we want to crop all the pictures to a circular shape. To do that, select your picture, then from Picture Format tab, crop it with 1:1 aspect ratio. Now adjust your picture to the viewing position, then press enter. To crop it to circular shape, select Crop to Shape, then select the oval. At the end, change its diameter to 1.25. Let's do it for other pictures. Okay, so far so good. Now we have to add rounded rectangles to the slide. So from the Insert tab, select the rounded rectangle and draw it. Let's make its edges fully rounded. In this case, set the width to 1 and height to 7 and remove its outline. Now let's copy it and paste it 5 times. Drag this shape to this side, then select all of them. In the Align section, select Distribute horizontally and Align to top. Now, while all the shapes are selected, fill them with the Slide Background fill. Also, add a drop shadow in this direction to all of them. Let's modify the properties. Set transparency to 0, size to 102, blur amount to 25, and the distance to 5. Now draw a rectangle and cover the entire slide with it, and fill it with gradient fill. Choose black color for both spots, and for this spot, change the transparency to 100%. Make sure that the linear type is selected and direction is correct. Alright, now let's send the rectangle to the back. It looks stunning already. Now we have to copy all the shapes and paste them into other slides. Okay, in this part, we have to set a unique height for each shape in each slide. Remember, if you want to increase or decrease the size of shape symmetrically from both sides, you have to hold the Ctrl key down during the adjustment. Okay, so far so good. Now we have to cut all the circular pictures from each slide and paste them into the first slide. Adjust the order of pictures according to the slide's number. Let's add a drop shadow in this direction to all of them. Set the blur amount to 25, distance to 12, and transparency to 30%. First, let me increase the diameter of this shape to 2.5 and put it in the middle of a slide. Since I want a precise position for all the pictures in all the slides, I have to activate the slide guides. So go to the View tab and check the guide option and drag this guide to the new position. Let me bring these two pictures here. I will reorder them later. Now select all the pictures and select Distribute vertically from the Align menu. Okay, hold the Ctrl key down and make some copies of guiding lines and adjust them like this. By doing this, we can easily find the exact position of each picture in each slide. Okay, let's rearrange the position of pictures according to the new guidelines. To make sure all the pictures are aligned on a straight line, select them and align them to the center. Since I use Align to the Center a lot, I have added this tool to the Quick Access toolbar. To add a tool to this toolbar, right-click on the tool and select Add to Quick Access toolbar. You can see that the selected tool adds to the toolbar. Anyway, now copy all the pictures and paste them into the next slide. Let's change the size of pictures. We know that the diameter of main picture is 2.5 and others are 1.25. Alright, let's put each picture in the exact position and align them to the center. Repeat this process for other slides. We don't need the guiding lines anymore, so go to the View tab and uncheck the Guide option. From the Insert tab, click on Text icon and add your titles to each slide. For the last step, select one of the slides in the slide ribbon. Then by pressing Ctrl A, select all of them and add Morph Transition to them. Before we see the final result, let me tell you that you can download the template for free in the description. This section is really important. If you think this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell for additional upcoming videos. Alright, let's see the final result.